Few things in the world get me as angry as scams when people are trying to take your hard-earned money, the stuff that you put in all those hours at work for. It just is, it's enraging. And that's why we've brought in a guest today. We've got Pam McCutcheon from Burke Herbert Bank. Pam, thank you for being with us. And
absolutely.
It's April 1st. We don't want anybody taken for a ride on April 1st.
We don't want anybody getting fooled today. This is not a day to be fooled. Yes, well, thank you. Thank you for having me and from Burke and Herbert. So, yeah, it's crazy. It's a crazy world out there right now.
And I feel like scams have gotten a lot more creative over the years. You know, I feel like before you used to be able to kind of see like, the bank's not going to text me, but like sometimes they've gotten a lot more creative in how they try to get your info.
And it's interesting you should say that, because actually we just recently merged with Burke and Herbert Bank back in November, and the scammers took advantage of that.
I bet they did.
They actually sent text messages out to our clients and actually non-clients saying that we were doing transactions and verifying. And actually locally within the Delmarva area, we lost over $50,000 due to that scam.
Oh, no.
That is awful.
It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy.
What are some of the types of scams that you guys are seeing right now that everybody at home should be aware of?
Absolutely. Yes. So we see a lot of the online scams. So meaning people are getting, your computer has a virus, you need to click this. Next thing you know, they've taken over your computer, they've taken over your phone. Social media. Social media is another huge one that we're seeing. Romance scams.
Oh, those are mean.
It's such a double whammy. It's your
really
money, it's your heartbreak. It's just really mean.
And it's interesting. I had a customer several years ago that was a part of it. An amazing woman. I would have never in a million years thought she would be a part of it. She was scammed for over $250,000.
Oh my gosh.
Really fell for it, and ended up, once she realized it and believed us to tell her that, she actually wrote a book. So, which was wonderful, and she actually shares that with people, which is awesome.
At least something good came
out of it. But we're still seeing it. I just had one recently, and you know, we're going to deposit money into your account. Can you please go get some gift cards?
The gift card scam. Yes, we get that from, and it'll be like from coworkers or your boss. And it'll say your boss wants you to buy these gift cards.
Exactly. Like, we're busy. I can't get out and get it.
If any email, text message, call asks you to buy gift cards, do not do that. It is a scam. They're trying to get your money.
What are some of the ways that people can tell for sure that it's a scam?
Exactly. Well, one of the things that the bank has done is we came up with, and banks are known for acronyms, but we came up with a little acronym called AWARE. A for alert. So be alert to all of the crazy things that are going on.
Sure.
Watch for, W for watch. So really watch your account, be online, check your statements, be proactive.
Check your credit score, see if anything's happening there.
Exactly, and that's one of the things that we offer. It's called Savvy Money, and that is an opportunity, and it's a no charge to our customers. They can monitor that. It can set up alerts so that you get these alerts when any changes to your credit score happens. So that's a wonderful thing as well.
That's a great feature,
We have the A for authenticate, so do your authentication. As much as it's a pain when you're signing into online banking.
The dual push.
You have the dual, yes.
But it still helps.
It helps. Then we have the R, which is to report it.
Yeah.
Contact someone. Talk to someone, whether it's a family member. I know a lot of people. I know the lady that I had with the romance scam. She didn't want to talk to her family.
Sure, I get it.
She was embarrassed.
It's
embarrassed. But please, at least talk to the bank, talk to someone that you're comfortable with, or report it to the authorities. You know, that's really important.
Yeah.
And last but not least is E for educate. So, be educated and be aware of what's out there.
Yeah.
So that's some of the things that we talk to our customers constantly about it, to really be conscious of it and ask questions.
I think the embarrassment part of it really is one of the more insidious components of this, because you've already been taken advantage of, and now you might not feel comfortable letting everybody else know you got taken advantage of, but it's not your fault that this happened. This was somebody else acting maliciously out there and probably doing it, as you said, Leah, in some pretty creative ways.
Oh, yeah.
Well, let me ask you this, Pam. In your time in banking, how has it changed the way people are scamming or trying to defraud others? Has it changed during your time there?
Oh my goodness, yes. So I've been in banking for about 31 years in this area, and just to see it from, way back when, there were very few scams. We really didn't see it. And I don't think we heard it as often. Now, with, of course, once the internet came on to be, that was the beginning of it. And, we're being scammed by people from all over the world.
Yeah.
Well, is there any one last piece of information that you want to give our viewers at home so that they can think of, you gave us that great acronym, but is there anything, just a final piece to go, hey, be careful of this?
I would just say, again, being aware of everything that's going on around you. Don't hesitate to ask. Even if it's at the bank, please do not click on something. The bank's not going to send you that kind of a text message. The IRS isn't going to send you that type of a text message. Just really stop and think. It's amazing. $12.6 billion in 2024 was lost to fraud.
Oh, that's
and that's per the Federal Trade Commission.
Such a big number.
It's a huge number. So there's a lot of money that's being lost out there to these scammers, and we need to do whatever we can to stop it.
And we don't want that to be you guys, ladies and gentlemen. We don't want you to have your money taken away, unceremoniously for ill-gotten gains. So thank you so much for joining us today.
Yes, wonderful.
And hopefully that helps a couple people at home, not get taken advantage of.
Be aware.
I love it.
See what I did. We've got some more Coast Life and some more fun headed your way when we get back.